Yep guys, so this is the first question of educational code forces round 157, and in this question Monocarp has found a treasure map, and the map is on the x-axis, that is it's a straight line rectilinear motion, right? So basically the path is like this, straight, right? And monocarp is at 0. Monocarp is at 0, right? Now the treasure chest is at x, means that box wherever the treasure is located, it is at x point, right? And key, will say key is at where? The key is at y. Let me tell here. Key is at y, right? Chest is at x, right? Now what else? Monocarp has to open the chest, and whenever he will be going to the left or the right of the path, it means if he is like, this is the way, right? Let's say that the treasure is located at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, means fifth point. Then when the monocarp is here, if he'll go 1 unit ahead in the path, he will take 1 second. If he will go back 1 unit in the path, right, he will take 1 second. It means whenever he will traverse the path, he will take 1 second to traverse the whole path, right? Now, but monocarp is at here right now. Now what else is there? Yeah, the second thing is, that is 1 second. Except for that, everything is like he will not take any second for like opening that chest or opening the key and stuff like that. Now monocarp can also carry that chest, okay, but that chest is pretty heavy, right? So he cannot carry it for more than k seconds, means for that in the whole path he can just carry that chest for like k seconds in that whole path. And if he will just put it like putting it down and picking it back up doesn't rest his stamina, means if he will put that chest down and after that he will pick up again, it doesn't mean that his stamina is increasing in that time frame, okay? His stamina will be like only decreasing as long as he's like carrying the chest. And if he's not carrying the chest, it will be like stable, it's not gonna increase. Now what we have to find is the smallest time required for monocarp to open the chest, right? So the first is test integer, how many number of test cases, so it's 3. Now after that, what is it written? X, y, x, y, and then k, right? X is the chest, y is the key, and k is the time for which he can hold, time to hold that chest, to hold that box. Now there are exactly two ways how they can actually the chest is located. So the first case is like what? Case first. Case first is when it's not, case first is when chest is located here and the key is located in between the chest and that origin, right? The key is located like here somewhere. Let me change the color. Yep. So that key is located somewhere here, right? So it may be here or here or here. So basically you can just say that x just a second. Yeah, y should be less than x, or actually if y is here also, like here, then also he can just come to the y option and then take that key and then open the chest, all that in 0 seconds, right? So you can use this, right? It means is equals y is less than is equals to x. Now in that time frame, whenever he comes, like for this thing, he will just take the key in the way and then just open the chest at x coordinate. So the total answer would be 8x, right? So first case is where y is less than equals to k, right? Then you will count not k, x actually. Then you will count x, right? Now what is case 2? Let's talk about case 2. Case 2 is where that here y is bigger than x, right? Yeah, so here is what. Now the next is, let me just clean it up a bit. Yep, I'll be cleaning the whole thing. So now you put yep. So now monocarp is at here, right? At 0, and the chest is at here x, and the key is somewhere here ahead of that chest, right? So what will he have to do? He would have to go first till here, right? And then after that, from here he will have to go, and from here he will have to go this side, right? Okay, so basically he have to go this side and this side, so basically it's taking more than that time. Now he can hold the chest for k minutes, for k times, right? So from here to, I guess, at k, he can hold this chest for k minutes, right? Now k could be like here, or like how much extra time he would have to take. So he would have to actually, he will, if this is a like equation, right, then he will have to take y time plus y minus x time, right, up to shorten the time. What we have, like we have gotten a condition that k should be, k is like there, right? So he can hold that chest for k minutes. Chest for k seconds. So basically, Now, if k is bigger than, uh, there are two cases in here also, right? So first case would be what? Like 2.1 case, right? So in there is like k is bigger than y minus x. So he can just actually, if k is bigger than y minus x means this much portion, just let me change a little bit. Yeah, if k is bigger than this much portion, then he can just actually take the chest and get it to y and then open it with the key, right? So he will just take y seconds, right? Now case 2.2 is when k is less than equal to y minus x, right? Then actually he will take the chest. It's not like that. Yep. Yeah, he will take the chest from like y minus x से कम है, ठीक है? तो he can take that chest till here, I guess, wherever is x plus k, right? Only when he's going, ठीक है? After that he would have to come here, and from here he would have to travel till here, right? So how much time he's taking? First he's taking x plus k, out x plus k, that much time he's taking, right, to go. After that he would be taking, first he would have to go till y, right? Then he would have to come back. How much back he have to come? That would be y minus x plus k, and that is your code. That's it.